Hello everyone, welcome back to Intrinsic Intelligence YouTube channel. Today we are going to difference between streams versus parallel streams. So we are going to go through what is streams and what is parallel streams in Java 8, and we are going to show the situations when we have to go for streams and when we have to go for parallel streams. So let's move on. So basically, what is stream? Stream in Java is a sequence of elements from a source. So source could be anything, array list, linked list. So it will sequentially do the operations. Streams will have many terminal operations and intermediary operations. So streams basically does not have a storage particularly. It will iterate through the existing data structure, and with the terminal operation, it executes and provides us the result. So consider we have a array or 2468. If it stream is in general and it goes sequentially, like first two and then process four and then process six and then process eight. So what we have in the code right now, we have list.stream. So list.stream dot filter if the element in an array is to the list. So sequential streams or a normal stream is a single threaded, predictable and simple, low overhead as it is single threaded. And order is particularly maintained in sequential streams. If there is order needs to be maintained and if you need to keep it simple, then please go for sequential streams. When we have to do same situation, we have an array 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and we need to filter elements which is greater than 10 and collect it to a list. Instead of stream, here we use list.parallel stream. What happens? If array considers 6 elements, thread 1 picks 2, thread 2 picks 2, and thread 3 picks 2 out of the 6 elements. So parallel streams are multi-threaded, higher throughput, and if it is of threading, then it will be handoff and overhead issues. And parallel thread does not guarantee ordering. Let's move on. These are the key differences. So on the execution side, stream will be single threaded and parallel stream is multi-threaded. Ordering is preserved in stream, whereas ordering is not guaranteed in parallel stream. Overhead is in sequential stream or stream is low, whereas in parallel stream it is high. Best for small data when we go with sequential stream, and if it is large data, we can go for parallel stream. Thread safety as single threaded sequential stream does not care about it, and with the parallel stream, yeah, it should be status and not interfere. Debugging, it is straightforward and it is hard in parallel streams. When parallel stream will help? It will help for large collections, CPU intense operations, easy split sources. For example, arrays and array list can be split cleanly, whereas linked list we don't. So when the parallel stream can backfire, suppose see this risky part of code. We have list.parallel stream, then we are doing for each. Then we'll end up in a race condition because we are multiple threads going to access the data structure. Whereas here, instead of using for each, always use a thread safe combinations of stream itself. List.parallel stream dot collect collectors dot to list. So this will have a better performance instead of using the safe fix. If you go for a risky like for loop or for each, then we'll be at a risk of having data corruption. So the takeaway is don't go for parallel streams by default. Analyze it, look for efficiency, and go for sequential stream or a stream, because even the sequential stream will give you a better performance. It depends on the cores in the CPU. And if there are more elements and there is no ordering is required, then please go for parallel streams. Thank you for watching this video, and we will meet up in more such videos. And if there is Any such videos, if you need it, please let us know.